Okay, class. So, for the continuation again in our discussion in business opportunity identification. So, in this video lecture, let's have a discussion in market research in agriculture, commodity, and enterprise development in the Philippines. So, market research in agriculture, commodity, and enterprise development in the Philippines involves collecting and analyzing data to gain insights into the current state of the agricultural sector. And it also identify opportunities for growth and improvement and make informed decisions. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to conduct such research. First, you need to define your research objectives. Determine the specific goals and objectives if your research are you looking to identify promising agricultural commodities, assess market demand, or evaluate the potential for enterprise development? So you need to clearly identify um, your research objective. Then select the agricultural commodities of interest. Identify the specific agricultural commodities or products you want to focus on. The Philippines has a wide range of crops and livestock, including rice, coconut, sugarcane, bananas, poultry, and more. So you have a lot of options. You just have to find your deeper interest on these commodities so that you will be more enthusiastic in doing this research to find out um, what is in your curiosity to discover and whatever you may discover or to find the solution in the objective that you set, it is really a rewarding in accomplishing that objective. Then review existing literature. You may conduct a thorough literature review to gather existing data and insights related to your chosen commodities in the Philippine agricultural market. This will help you understand the current landscape and identify the gaps in knowledge. Then, data collection. Gather primary and secondary data. Primary data can be collected through surveys, interviews, and field visits. The secondary data can be obtained from government reports, industry publications, and academic studies, and market demand analysis. So this one will assess the demand for your chosen commodities in domestic and international markets. You may consider factors such as population trends, consumer preferences, and export opportunities. Then your competitive analysis. Identify key players in the agricultural sector, including farmers, cooperatives, and agribusiness companies. You will analyze their strengths, weaknesses, and market strategies. You can also examine the entire value chain for your selected commodities through value chain analysis, from production to distribution. Identify bottlenecks and opportunities for efficiency improvements. Understand the regulatory environment and government policies affecting the agricultural sector in the Philippines by having a regulatory and policy analysis. These include land ownership rules, subsidies, and trade policies. And also, you may conduct a SWOT or strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats analysis for the commodities and enterprises you are researching. And also, You may identify emerging trends in agriculture such as organic farming, sustainable practices, and technology adoption. You may try to forecast a future market conditions. And you may also engage with stakeholders in the agricultural sector, including farmers, processors, and government agencies, by having stakeholder engagement. Their insights and feedback can be really invaluable. And you may also analyze the collected data using statistical tools and software by having a data analysis. Use charts, graphs, and tables to present your findings. And you may compile your research findings into a comprehensive report, provide the actionable recommendation for commodity development and enterprise strategies by having a good report and recommendations. And you may now present your research findings to relevant stakeholders, including government agencies, investors, and industry associations. Disseminate your report through publications and presentations, and continuously monitor the agriculture sector and assess the impact of any recommendations or inventions over time. Adjust your strategies as needed. So remember that agriculture is a dynamic sector influenced by various factors, including climate, technology, and market trends. Regularly updating your research and staying informed about developments in the field will be essential for success or successful enterprise development in the Philippines.